Okay, I'm back. I had to take a little bit of a break. I had my checkup with the doctor, and it didn't go I mean, it wasn't terrible, but I have some work to do, um, weight related. So I paused the videos, making videos, and I said I need to lose weight because of some of my blood numbers were not great. So I backed off on that and put myself on a diet. Um, and I'm happy to say I've lost 8 pounds in 1 week. So, yep, I'm doing good. So I thought I'm feeling better about that. So I thought I would come back with the review, and I'll just stick to eggs and stuff like that. And I'll get to like the cooking parts when I get happier with my weight. And I'm probably gonna back off a bit on challenges until I get to a weight I'm happy at. That's okay. Maybe I'll do an occasional. But anyway, enough about that. Today, I've never tried sauce leopard. It is the Emerald Slime. It says it is a Serrano jalapeno hot sauce. I'm having a lot of eggs and stuff on my diet, so I need something to flavor up my eggs. So let's see what it says about it. Okay, the Emerald Slime, Lord of the Verde sauces, refreshingly bright and perfect on breakfast. Good. Roasted tomatillos, an ideal balance of jalapeno and serrano peppers, a hint of lime make this sauce versatile and ready for any feast your slimy mitts chef up. They're from Denver, Colorado. So check them out. I'll put the link down below. Um, and ingredients are serrano pepper, jalapeno peppers, distilled vinegar, water, roasted tomatillos, salt, sugar, lime juice, garlic, and spices. They're saying it's on the medium side. So, looks like I have a co-reviewer coming. Hi, honey. Want to try some? How about I try it first? I don't think this is going to be too hot. It says shake well and there's no preservatives, all natural. Um, yeah, let's give this. Oh, you're right there. You're in the camera. You're right there, honey. Look at the screen. Oh, very bright and citrusy. Definitely smell the vinegar. Ooh, this one might be a little hot for you, honey. Unless you want to try just a little bit. Nope. Okay. Um, she's still on Taco Bell sauces. Honey, why don't you go back out and play with your doll health center? I'll be right out there. Um, I am having some lunch. So, I'd say heat wise, it gets me about a two, low two. I wouldn't say one because it's got a little bit. You can definitely taste the lime and vinegar in there. And did I taste garlic? Yep, I tasted garlic. It's right in there. Let me try this. Mm-hmm. It's really, really, really good on eggs. You want to try it, honey, with the food? It's low. It's not as hot. Hmm? Okay. Dip it, dip a little bit in there. Too hot. You don't like it? Okay, that's okay. He's still doing Taco Bell sauces, so for sure, great. Like I said, bright citrusy flavor, and if you can handle your like Tabasco or regular hot sauces, you'll be fine with this. You need something to drink, honey? Do you need something to drink? Okay. Can you please? I'm trying to do. For sure, like on the flavor, I give this a solid like yeah, 7 out of 10 on flavor. It's got a good flavor if you want that like citrusy garlic with jalapeno. Very nice tasting sauce. You can taste all the ingredients in there. Would I rebuy this again? I absolutely. I think I would put this on tacos too or burritos, but it's really good on breakfast. I don't think the sauce is gonna last more than a week at most. I think I finished this, so if you want to hang out, sure. So anyway, pick you up some today, and yeah, this is really good. If you like Verde sauces, you would like this. This is good, and it's not gonna light you up hard like other Verde sauces. So with that being said, have a great day, and thank you very much. I'll get another video out soon.